you a quick acceleration test. I mean, not quick, but it's a Range Rover, so it's super fast. Here we go, onto the highway here. They are not rocket ships, but they are fun to drive. 60. Probably took 10 seconds. But there. Driving nice and smooth. Don't have to hold the steering wheel on. Nice drive. Excellent shape. Everything's in really nice shape. Alright. Well, just let us know if you got any questions. Happy to answer anything about this truck. We've had it about a year now, kind of in storage, and then started rebuilding it earlier this year. Had it all painted, had a lot of stuff redone on it. It was in good shape, so we didn't have to replace too many parts. Engine runs great. We put some new gaskets on the valve covers and did a quick tune-up, oil change on it, and runs great. Thanks for watching.